Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll solve one more problem related to transaction value. The question is on the screen. Please take the screenshot of the question or at least try to solve along with me so that you'll have a better understanding. They have given the price of the goods, that is 5 lakh rupees, which is exclusive of CGST and SGST. Means there is no GST charged on that. So that is what it means. Next. The following items are not included, means some of the items they have given the question and those items are not included to the above price. ಈಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. So first one is advertising charges, publicity charges, selling charges, loading and handling charges, servicing charges, outward freight and insurance, and discount allowed at 10%. So with all this information, we have to calculate the transaction value first and then the amount of GST payable. First, let us calculate the transaction value. Always first we have to take selling price, and that selling price should be exclusive of GST. Selling price should be exclusive of GST. In question they have given selling price exclusive of GST is 5 lakh rupees. So 5 lakh rupees we will write it over here. For the selling price, we need to add certain inclusions which are not included. ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So here they have given that the following items are not included in the above price. That first one we have advertising charges of 50,000 rupees. So advertising charges, it is 50,000 rupees. Next, we have publicity charges of 35,000 rupees. Publicity charges, it is 35,000 rupees. Next, we have selling charges of 15,000 rupees. Selling charges 15,000 rupees. Next, we have loading and handling charges of 4,000 rupees. Loading and handling charges, it is 4,000 rupees. Next, we have servicing charges of 5,000 rupees. So servicing charges 5,000 rupees. The last item we have outward freight and insurance on buyer request, that is 25,000 rupees. Outward freight and buyer's request, that is 25,000 rupees. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈಗ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ 6 items to 5 lakh rupees. When we add, we get 6,34,000. ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಿಗೆ ಈ ಇಷ್ಟು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 6,34,000 rupees ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎನಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್. We have discount allowed at 10%. Always remember one thing, the trade discount is always calculated on selling price. Trade discount na yavaglu selling price mere ನಾವು calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Here our selling price is how much? Selling price is 5 lakh rupees. On this 5 lakh we will charge 10%. ನಮ್ಮ selling price ಬಂದು 5 lakh rupees. ಆ 5 lakh ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು 10% ಅನ್ನ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. The discount will be 50,000 rupees. Now this 50,000 rupees should be subtracted from 6,34,000. When we subtract, we get 5,84,000, and that is our transaction value. Discount in a selling price add ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ items value ಏನು 6,34,000 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಿಂದ 50,000 ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5,84,000 rupees transaction value ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Now this transaction value is required to calculate the GST payable. So while computing the GST liability, first we have to write transaction value. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ first transaction value ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. There is a formula to calculate the output tax liability. The formula is transaction value into rate of GST. So whatever the transaction value is there, on that if we put the rate of GST, we will get the tax liability. In question, clearly they have stated that CGST will be 14% and SGST will be 14%. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ CGST 14%, SGST 14% ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ CGST 14%, SGST 14% ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So CGST 5,84,000 into 14% will be 81,760. SGST 5,84,000 into 14% will be 81,760. So if we add both this 81,760 and 81,760, we will get 1,63,520, and this is our total GST payable. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ CGST 14%, SGST 14% ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು 5,84,000 ಏನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ GST 14% ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 81,760 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೆರಡನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1,63,520 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಟೋಟಲ್ GST ಪೇಯಬಲ್. Hope you have understood how to solve this problem. If you have any doubts, please put in the comment box. I'll respond to your doubts as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.